Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to secure a Telegram account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to secure your Telegram account, you need to first of all enable your two-factor authentication or verification. So once you open your Telegram, you can simply go and tap on the hamburger like icon on the top left hand side of the corner, go settings and simply scroll down to privacy and security. There you can find the option called two-step verification. Simply enable it. Now you need to simply type in a password to set it. After you have done this, your Telegram will require a password for new logins, and you can also set local passcode for app access. Additionally, you can check your settings and tap on devices to terminate, and you can choose unrecognized active sessions and restrict who can see your phone number as well. So this way you can secure your Telegram account. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.